Want to become a 3D VTuber in 2026 without spending thousands of dollars on custom models or complicated gear? You're in the right place. Today, we're looking at Live3D, an all-in-one software suite designed to get your virtual avatar live in just a few easy steps. Whether you have your own custom character or are starting completely from scratch, this tool might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what Live3D actually is. Found at live3d.io, it's a dedicated suite of tools built specifically for VTubers, streamers, and content creators. It's broken down into a few main components. First is VTuber Maker, which handles your high-quality face and hand tracking using just a standard webcam or devices like Leap Motion. It also includes an OBS virtual camera, making it incredibly easy to send your avatar straight to your streaming software. Next up is the VTuber Editor. This is where the magic happens if you want to customize. You can load your own VRM models, add props, edit paints, and customize 3D animations, emotes, and dance moves. If you don't have your own avatar yet, don't worry. Live3D provides over 40 popular built-in VTuber models, 50 animations, and over 100 assets and backgrounds to get you started. There's also a cool feature called VTuber Gallery, which lets you pose your character for illustrations or posters, and a Twitch extension to help you trigger interactive effects and drive engagement during live streams. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it is incredibly beginner-friendly. Having the models, tracking software, editor, and streaming integration all in one ecosystem saves you from downloading 5 different programs. However, when it comes to user feedback, we have limited independent review data available today. While Live3D claims to have served over 1 million creators worldwide, we always recommend downloading the free version, which is available directly on their site or via Steam, to see how well the face and hand tracking performs on your specific webcam setup before committing. Ready to try it out? The setup is simple. Just head over to live3d.io, download the software, choose or import your model, calibrate your camera, and link it to OBS. What do you think? Are you ready to start your VTubing journey with Live3D? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tutorials. See you next time!